Hey buddy, David Lab Rescue here. I'm back up in Grass Valley hanging out with Molly's and Molly's 9 puppies for that. What today? Today's the 1st of December, so they are 31 days old, which is, what's that? 4.5 weeks here, huh? Who's that? Somebody like chewing on my moccasin there. Is that pretty good? We're talking tasty. We're talking major tasty. Somebody's over there a little lost there because everybody else is like climbing all over me, huh? Who's snoozing here? Who's snoozing? Who's snoozing? Okay, we have a little puppy, a yellow puppy pile right here. Oop, somebody's coming behind me. Who's that coming behind me? Oh my, look at, there we go. Just climb right up on top. Yep, we got a couple are crashed out with me here. Oh, somebody else wants it. Okay, let me put my legs down. Who's that there? Hey, Red. Red is like out. Red's like, hello. Hi, everybody. Coming up, huh? Can you come up? Sure, come on up. Whoa, slip and slide. Don't fall off. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is pretty nice and comfortable here. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than this, let me tell you. Yeah, just chew on the jeans. That's it. Oh, you made it. Don't fall off. You're going to slip and slide. Be careful. Whoa! I saw that coming. Oh, this is just too much.